Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to deep fry a Cornish hen. Look at how little and cute this little bird is. First we're going to open and clean it really quickly. And by cleaning it, I mean just simply rinsing it off. It's not much to it. I did check inside of the cavity. There was nothing in there, of course. So I'm just going to give it a quick little rinse, just like so. And I'm also going to pat it dry with a few paper towels. And now I'm going to add a little canola oil, okay? You can use canola or vegetable oil, or you can even do a little olive oil. And you just want to rub that oil onto the chicken really good. And now we're going to season it with Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now, if you want, you can really season your chicken however you like, okay? But I'm just going to tell you that I only use this Creole seasoning. And next, I'm going to show you my secret ingredient to getting the most juiciest chicken ever. Okay, so as you can see, I season it really well, and I even sprinkle some inside of the cavity of the chicken. So when you season yours, okay, let the ancestors lead you, as they say. Let those ancestors lead you into how to season your meat, okay? All right, just season it till you feel it. Now check out my secret ingredient to getting the most juiciest chicken ever: mustard. Yes, not just any mustard. I use French's mustard, okay? So if you know, you know. But mustard, yes, and you don't need to use a whole lot because, of course, it's just a little bitty bird. It's just really small, so you only need a little mustard. Okay, you want to do that front and back. You want to let this marinate for 30 minutes. Now, if you go a little bit longer, the longer the better. Okay, so you can do 30 minutes to an hour if you want. Now let's season our flour. I don't even think I added cornstarch. Normally I do cornstarch with my flour, but this time I just did flour, and I added some more of that Creole seasoning, and I seasoned to taste. So now we're going to dredge the chicken into that flour, into that seasoned flour. And yeah, just do like shown here. Also, if you have some cooking gloves, they will be very helpful when it comes to coating the chicken. It doesn't knock off the seasoning as much as if you were not wearing cooking gloves. So that's just a quick tip. If you got some cooking gloves, go ahead and throw some on. So after you dredge that chicken in that seasoned flour, you want to let this rest for about 10 minutes. And that is the perfect amount of time to heat up your oil. So get that temperature up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and once your oil is nice and hot and at 350, you're going to slowly and carefully place your chicken inside of the oil, just like so. And by the way, I'm using canola oil. Okay. Some other options would be peanut oil or vegetable oil. Okay. We're going to let this chicken cook for 15 to 17 minutes. All right. Now, I let my chicken fry for a total of 17. But like I said, you want to do anywhere from 15 to 17 minutes. You do want to check the internal temperature of the chicken. Once it reaches 165, your chicken is done. So as you can see here, I did rotate my chicken, and you do want to do that, and that ensures that it is cooking evenly. Okay, and once your chicken floats to the top, most times is done. So here we are. It's been 17 minutes. Let's go ahead and take the chicken out, and look at how pretty she looks. She is nice and crispy and golden brown. Now I did check the internal temperature of the chicken, and it was 165. Actually, it was about 170, which was perfect. Okay, so after you take your chicken out and check the internal temperature, of course you want to allow this to rest for a bit. You don't want to cut into it right away because all of those delicious juices will just start to, run out. Okay, so you do want to let it rest. This bird is golden, crispy, and juicy, and got a whole lot of flavor inside. When I tell y'all, this chicken was so good. I mean, just that. So now let's cut into the chicken really quickly so I can show y'all that it is fully done. Okay, and it was juicy. And y'all, 5 minutes later, my husband totally made this look like a crime scene. Like he tore this chicken up. Look at what's left. Oh my goodness. But yeah, you guys have got to try this recipe. And if you do, please come back and let me know how your chicken came out. As always, thank you so much for your support on this channel. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.